12:43, the IRS recently announced extending the tax deadlines for millions of Americans. That means certain tax returns, payments, and other due dates could have an impact on this. But what does it mean when it comes to your taxes? Joining us today is CPA Kimberly Washington live to answer some of your questions. Kim, it's a lot of moving parts with tax season, so let's start with the first one. When are tax returns due for those who live here in Louisiana?
Right, it is a lot of moving parts, and of course, things are changing day by day. But if you reside in Louisiana in one of the 64 parishes, your due date is actually June 15th. This includes individual tax returns and also business tax returns too, as well. We know that yesterday the IRS has extended the deadline for the entire United States until May 17th. But if you live in Louisiana because of the recent storms, you have until June 15th to file with the Internal Revenue Service.
And Kim, does this include tax payments due as well?
This does include tax payments too as well. If you live in Louisiana in one of the 64 parishes, you also have until June 15th to make certain payments. These are any payments that fall that's due between February 11th until June 15th. You can make those payments on June 15th. So that's estimated tax payments and also your income tax payments. You have a little bit more time to do that too as well.
All right, Kim, let's talk state tax returns. Normally, these are due around May 15th. When are these returns due now?
So this was just announced as of yesterday. The state of Louisiana Department of Revenue now says you have until June 15th too as well to file your state tax return. If you're residing here in the state of Louisiana, that's big news for some. And this also applies to certain areas in Texas too as well. So make sure that you talk to your tax professional, contact the Internal Revenue Service if you have any questions, or reach out to the Department of Revenue too as well. But you now have more time, especially in the state of Louisiana, to file those tax returns.
All right, CPA Kimberly Washington, a lot of information. If you have any other questions, you can send us an email. We'll get that over to Kim, or you can also go to Kimberly's website. Thank you so much. Taking a look at travel, there is a new one-day record since the pandemic started. The TSA says it's